Malo. I need to go first to my place because I have a buy a new fish, so I will transfer my new fish. This is Malo. 4 million people in the house. 25 pesos. Oh my God. I need to be careful. This is my new aquarium because it's a glass. I just buy $50. Guys, don't forget to like and share, please. 4 million people in the house. Love, love, love. I don't know if the flower shop is still open. I need to buy a new flower. This morning we have an event here. That's why we have a big tent. Like a magic presentation and what do you call this, performance. Oh, close already. No more flower. Souvenir bag. See, Macau souvenir. There's a lot of souvenir. That event this morning, but now it's already removed. The event is finished. We have a magic, so that's why we have a big tent. Senado Square, San Malo.